Zoya and Sonali, and they don't get along well. Huh?
Oh God.
So they fought there also.
Should have asked the question earlier.
Initial 5-10 songs when they were a hit, Salman Bhai told me that 10-15-20 hit तो कोई भी दे देता. Then again my other films didn't work because I took my success for granted in the sense that my dedication was not there as an actor as much as I give it to my music.
Zoya and Himesh, welcome to our show. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
हिमेश, पहले तो ये बताइए आपने इतना वेट कैसे लूज किया और ये क्या रोल के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी था?
ज़रूरी इसलिए था क्योंकि मेरी पहली फिल्म आपका सुरूर बहुत चली थी. उसके बाद कुछ फिल्में चल नहीं पाई एंड आई जस्ट आस्क्ड माई सेल्फ अ क्वेश्चन कि भाई व्हाट वाज द रीज़न. तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जो डेडिकेशन मेरा म्यूज़िक में मेरे हर गानों में होता है, चाहे वो फिल्म छोटी हो या बड़ी, उस लेवल का डेडिकेशन एक्टिंग अगर करनी है तो हर डिपार्टमेंट में एक्टिंग के वो होनी चाहिए थी. तो आई पर्सनली फेल्ट दैट फॉर द रोल ऑफ दिस एक्स कॉप टर्न सुपरस्टार रवि कुमार, दिस कैरेक्टर रियली नीडेड टू बी really fit because he was an ex-cop and then he was a superstar, so he had to look that character. And then the workshops which I did with my director Anant Mahadevan, who's also been a national award winner. So sensibilities were in the right place, and then we did our workshops for 6 months, and then 6 महीने लगे मुझे 20 किलो लूज करने में. So वो मेहनत और डेडिकेशन मेरी तरफ से इस कैरेक्टर के लिए उतनी थी जितना मैं अपने हर गानों में देता हूँ. And I'm very proud of the product right now that at least I've given my best to it.
Zoya, what about you? How did you think of making your debut with this film?
I think I'm very honored to be a part of this project and to start off my career with such great actors like Irfan Khan ji. There's Honey Singh in the movie. There's Himesh Reshamya, who's doing so much multitasking. And I think I'm really happy to be a part of it. And especially the story of this film is what got me into this film. I am basically a very thriller fan. But हिंदी में इतनी कुछ ज़्यादा मुझे फिल्में thriller की उतनी ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आती. But when I came to this script, I was like, this is it. I, as an audience, was very, very interested to watch it. So that's what got me into it.
Because like you said, for thrillers, एक certain degree of intelligence की ज़रूरत है, which our Bollywood films often lack. Do you think so?
Of course, कभी-कभी उसके logics और जो detailing है स्क्रिप्ट में और परफॉर्मेंसेस में, बहुत सारी चीज़ों में, इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. एंड स्लैपस्टिक कॉमेडी या कॉमेडी जैसे हमने खिलाड़ी में किया तो वो हार्डकोर कमर्शियल फिल्म है. तो हमारे लिए कहीं ना कहीं इट वाज ओके कि एक सेट जोन है एक फिल्म में. अब क्योंकि ये मेरी फिल्म सेकंड फिल्म एज अ प्रोड्यूसर भी है, फर्स्ट फिल्म खिलाड़ी थी, तो वो एक अलग टाइप की स्कूल है.
Going so bold, so beautiful and so glamorous in your first film. Are there any fears? Because often it's very easy to get typecast, especially for an actress.
I don't think, like we said, उस ज़माने में 60s के दौर में बिकिनी पहनना और ये सब करना, it was very bold for them to do it. क्योंकि तब लोग साड़ी में आते थे, घूंघट में आते थे. तो ज़ीनत अमान जी
and Parveen Bawi, they kind of changed the entire scene. They were their straight hair, their looks, and their.
But they were very gracefully accepted by the audience. They were, I mean.
But I don't think it was something new for me. I have worn a bikini in Miss India in front of 500 audience, so I don't think it is new for me. I don't think it's new for our generation.
Correct.
But for them, it was quite bold.
Himesh, how do you think of working with Yo-Yo Honey Singh? That is very interesting. वो भी वो negative role play कर रहे हैं आपकी फिल्म में.
Yo-Yo, I've worked with him in a few songs which did very well, from Khiladi and Son of Sardar. And I when I heard his first song Chaska, I called him that it's very good. So I was the first person from Bollywood who called him. And then we used to meet quite often. Then this role of Kenny Damania, who's a music composer in the film, and he's a larger-than-life character and sells one song to 2 producers. He's also dating 2 women at a time. So he's a cunning guy, he's a mean
very
guy,
colorful.
He's a negative character, and he is one of the suspects because finally the story is 1 murder, 11 suspects. So, and maybe he's the killer, maybe he's not. But वो जो character था, वो मुझे लगा कि it would be it'll be something very interesting if he plays it. So I called him home and then I offered him the script. he read it and he said that, okay, I'm doing the film, it's good, yeah. And then he did a lot of workshops, I think about 15-20 days. Then 22 days he shot with us in Bombay, ek saath mein, one schedule mein. So it was fun. And he's got 13 different entries in the film. And every time he comes, he's doing something which is a little, it's mean, but it's yet, he's a lovable villain in the film.
In our industry, you see artists don't so lavishly praise each other. But you and, you have a very cool thing to say about each other all the time.
Actually now I've done 115 films. I've done 600 songs and I have 300, 400 compositions in my bank of tunes. I'm still trying and I'm trying to compose at least one song a day. I'm doing very well as a singer, as an actor, I've done shows. तो जब इतना हासिल कर लेता है आदमी तब कहीं ना कहीं एक ये आ जाता है. I've experienced 17-18 years of a very long journey. So the point of view changes.
Right.
So I'm not insecure right now.
So you're very secure as a musician also, right?
Yeah, right now.
Because there's so many new singers every day, so many
but I learn from them.
Don't you ever feel...
I do, because that's why I reinvent every year.
I remember the last interview you told me that you compose a song every day, right?
Yeah, I still do that.
Yeah.
And that's why I have a lot of choices, that when I have to meet my deadlines. So for Expose also, I had about 10 compositions for each situation. That's why we could choose the best. And somewhere, whenever a new music composer comes up with a hit track, I call him or I...
Really?
Yeah, 100%. And then I also listen to his songs and try to do something of my own in that zone. So that it gives my music a complete different outlook. And that's what I've always done.
So you still stand out with the kind of music you make.
Yeah, always. And every 2 years, I completely change my style of music. And it is very important to be consistent. See, today I'm getting that recognition because now the body of work has gone to 115 films and 600 hit songs. So then you get your due, because when you give your first 3 albums, which are very big hits, still people are going to say, aage kar sakega ya nahi kar sakega. So, and this is what, when initially my about 5 or 10 songs were blockbuster hits from the...
You were nearly 22 hits if I...
No, that is after later, in a row. But initial 5-10 songs, when they were a hit, Salman Bhai told me that 10-15-20 hit to koi bhi de deta hai. You have to see to it that aapko tikna hai, to har saal ye karna padega, which he's been doing in his films.
Correct, yeah. Zoya, there's so many girls, so many Miss Indias out there, there's so many actresses. Do you feel, you're a part of the competition?
Definitely. I think in this industry there's a lot of competition.
Yeah.
There's a lot of new talent coming up, and they all are very good in what they do. Competition will always be there. You have to learn how to deal with it, and you have to kind of reach that stage where people acknowledge your skill, and they know that what you're doing it very convincingly, and you're doing it wholeheartedly. That's what is very important.
Your music has a huge fan following, but at the same time, you got a lot of criticism also in the start of your career. You faced a lot of that.
Yeah.
So how do you deal with it back then?
I actually faced only criticism because I turned actor. Otherwise,
right.
as a singer,
exactly. For acting, that's what I meant.
Yeah, as a singer, they told me that it's nasal, but they definitely still, I got an award for Aashiq Banaya.
Yeah, but that was your USP,
yeah, and
right?
it worked.
Yeah, it worked. Yeah.
Yes, as an actor, when I started off, because singers turned actors were not successful.
Right.
So somewhere this whole image was why, but then my first film worked. So again, then it was like, okay, ये तो उल्टा हो गया कि picture चल गई. Then again, my other films didn't work because I took my success for granted in the sense that my dedication was not there as an actor as much as I give it to my music.
Right.
It was the brand which was working. And that's why those films didn't get the 100% and it didn't work.
How is it working with two musicians? Very interesting, right? It
is.
Two very talented. Do they really break into like singing and humming? I mean, what are they like to work with?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
It's pretty interesting to work with them. On set we have Honey and then we have HR. So it's pretty interesting, and you kind of...
We were shooting that ice cream song and it was fun because it's supposed to be a Hollywood theme party. जो उस ज़माने में रियली एक बार किसी बहुत बड़े स्टार ने वहाँ थ्रो की थी, and it's supposed to be an after award party, but it's a Hollywood theme party.
Okay.
And that's why in ice cream खाऊंगी we have those these foreign junior artists also. But at that time, I think me, Honey, and Zoya and Sonali, and they don't get along well, huh?
Oh God!
So they fought there also.
Ask the question earlier.
Don't create news for them.
Yeah. Oh my God! You must. It's unbelievable, and they think they're doing it for publicity.
Each other.
They and
Stop
everybody
lying.
is thinking that we are doing it for publicity.
What?
And it is the truth. Trust me.
Wow.
Oh my God!
Don't
I've
believe
seen
the
it.
Coming back to that very soon.
believe the
You can
rumors.
complete
So
what
it
we're
was
saying.
real fun because
Seeing the cat fight.
Yeah, me and
in reality, and we should call us.
and we had a cat fight in that scene immediately
There
after
was
the
a scene
song.
of cat fight. There was no real cat fight.
And
so
how
they think
they and it's a 3-minute 3-camera scene when they are just hitting, and because it was a real incident between two actresses of those in those days.
Yeah.
So again, Anandji told them, "Kid, I just want my shot, so you do anything. You कोई भी तो एक बार उसने bottle उठा ली थी, and at that time कोई अभी उन्होंने तो कट नहीं बोला, but when we were seeing, oh God, जो हम लोगों को डर लगे कि ये रियल में कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं होनी चाहिए, because इनका कोई भरोसा नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत दुश्मनी है इन दोनों में।
No. You're
Coming
giving
from deep down.
too much rumors, huh? You make yourself only.
अब भी हम लोग वापस आ रहे थे तो ये कह रही थी यार कि लोग कहेंगे कि पहली फिल्म में फाइट करती हूँ, ये बात गलत हो गई, बाहर बात आ गई तो राइट।
God!
We love the scoop, Himesh. Thank you so much.
You're dead.
So over to you. What do you have to say about that?
Don't believe the rumors. They all keep on saying whatever
So
they
you
want.
think you and Sonali have
See, that's why she's not here.
yeah.
Scene.
That's why
It's
she's
a
not here.
scene in the movie. Himesh, it's a scene
और
in the
कपिल
movie.
के शो पे क्या हुआ था?
बताओ.
Listen, it's a scene in the movie.
अच्छा
where
ये
we
बताओ कि
have
कपिल के शो पे वो आई, यहाँ आज क्यों नहीं आई?
Exactly.
मुझे क्या पता?
बस
Exactly. We had to move the chair. अभी था यहाँ पे हमने हटवाया.
This is not good. You
और
all are
फिल्म में तो
blaming
खैर
it
आप
on
लोग
me.
अभी जब देखोगे तो आप देखोगे इतना रियल शॉट किसी ने दिया ही नहीं। ओह
We're such good actors, no?
ओह
But then, did you get a little more musical? Spending so much of time with two musicians?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Songs दिन भर बजते रहते हैं.
Did you make us sing or teach her anything?
yeah गाओ
Teach me singing.
एक line गा के सुनाओ.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Should I?
yeah
You'll correct.
yeah, because she loves singing, huh? She
likes
wants
singing?
to sing, yeah.
She wants to sing. That's very cool.
In front of Himesh Reshamya, the composer. Never know, he might find an international singer in me.
Absolutely. You will like singing and acting like him.
I'll just sing 2 lines.
Yeah, sure. Of course. Go ahead.
दर्द दिलों के कम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते कितने हंसी आलम हो जाते मैं अब ये गाना आगे नहीं गा सकती.
Tell us something with the two of them we don't know, Himesh and Honey.
About Honey Singh, he has a lot of cold drinks. And we're always telling him, listen, you're a singer. Don't have so much of cold drinks. But he would have a lot of cold drinks. And everyone would be shocked on the sets. That's a secret about him. And about Himesh, the
Chana.
secret is...
Chana, now she'll say that I have
every time I enter the room, he's popping chana. I'm like, what
yeah,
is
because
this?
then, it's a very good diet food, because it's good for health.
Or you personally like chana so much?
No, I like it, but it's good for my health because I can't have carbs, yeah. So chana hi, it keeps me fit and, weight lose karne ke liye, it helps you.
Yeah. So has Salman Khan seen the film? Has he given you inputs throughout?
He's
while
just
you
come
were
back
shooting?
actually.
Yeah.
And now I will definitely, because my 5.1 copy will just come out in a day or two, so I'm going to go and definitely invite him for, whenever he's free so he can see it also and then give me what his feedback is.
Which is the one thing in current day Bollywood that you would want to expose?
In current day?
Yeah. Any one thing that you would like to expose in current day Bollywood?
Current day Bollywood, oh my God. It's maybe celebrities के messages.
Oh, phone messages.
Phone
Very
messages
cool.
में बहुत exposure है.
If you do, please share that with us. Please share that with Zoom. We'd love you for that.
Oh my God. Yeah.
मजा आ जाएगा.
That'll be, I think that'll have a lot of content for the media.
It
But
will be lethal is the right word.
Yeah, but maybe actually you don't get anything. जितना लगता है, कितना बाहर से बहुत लगता है, उतना ना हो.
Come on. No. What about you, Zoya?
I think right now we're exposing The Expose on 16th May. So I think
The Killer.
that is the killer we're exposing on 16th May. So better start off with this and later on we'll see what more to expose.
Wow, it was great talking to you all. Thank you so much, Himesh and Zoya, for being on our show.
Thank you so much for having us.